Any idea?
I believe it's accessing of variables and methods of other classes.
Mm-hmm.
So basically inheriting the properties of other class.
Other class. Okay, good. Something you are saying means trying to say something. Good. Others tell me inheritance.
Where child class able to access the properties of parent class.
Good. That is also good. Very good. Yes. Others.
Uh, it is
Mm-hmm.
the properties are inherited from the parents.
Mm-hmm.
Like in yeah, inheritance in general is like it is inherited from the parent.
Yeah, that is also good. Very good. So everyone knows the process of inheriting or acquiring, correct? And inheritance, father-child relationship from beginning we know. That's good. But today, little bit, I will modify the definition. Good, whatever you people told is also correct. There is no doubt. And let's see how we can define in more like explained way, and we can understand it easily. So let's say I'm not using any word like super or something. Just say this is a father and let's say university is a father class. Okay. It is having properties in the registration number, college registration number, int mobile number or landline telephone number, whatever. The behavior is get to registration. Do registration. So guys, we have, I hope by next week, same Tuesday, we will able to finish this course, this free Java course, OOPS concept, by this coming week, Tuesday. So it is having behavior do registration. It is having another behavior, let's say, access course. Okay, just close this. Now, this is a college 1, and this is college 2. This is college 3. Yeah. This is college 1, college 2, college 3. Now, university is a father. Every college want to register their names in this university. See, all college must be affiliated in some university, in some system, then only it will work out, right? in a state, all district must be regulated by the state rules and regulations. Same way in university, if all the colleges are registered, then only it will be a valid college and their degrees are valid. Right. So here, let's say this university can go for registration, and let's say he is also having the, he got registration and he is having the properties of same properties, like he has done registration and he is having registration number. Right. He does not have mobile number, let's say, and he is having the behavior of to registration. Right. Same way, college 2, he is having both the behavior, both the properties, college registration number, mobile number. He is having he has not registered it. He is just acquiring on behavior, that is access course. This college 3, he is having common properties, let's say mobile number, and he is having some extra quality, like behavior he is having, let's say football ground, or they do some play football activities. They are having football court, so in that college all students can play the football. Now see why I have written this. Try to understand. See, this is my existing class, parent class. This is a father class. So from this class, this guys, this college 1, college 2, college 3, they are taking some commonly used behavior and properties. See, it is having register number. It is taking register number, college register number, right? College 2 and properties, he has not taken any properties, but some common behavior he has acquired. College 2 is taking both the properties from existing one and some common behavior he is taking. Right. College 3, he is taking some common properties and it is having some extra behavior, which is not present in existing class. So inheritance means acquiring the commonly used behavior and properties from existing one, from existing class. That is called inheritance. Means father, a child can have a behavior of father, some default behavior, as well as his own behavior also. True or not? Tell me. A
Agree.
child can have some common behavior of father as well as his own some extra behavior. Correct or not? Are you people understanding what I mean to say?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, completely agree.
So that's why inheritance is a process of acquiring commonly used behavior and properties from parent. It's a process of acquiring commonly used behavior and properties from parent. Okay. So that is called inheritance. Inheritance. So that is inheritance. I will write again this definition, but just to make you understand, we have done. So this class, from where this child is taking behavior or commonly used properties. So this class is called parent class, or it is called super class, or it is called why is it not getting admitted? Yeah. Parent class, super class, or it is called existing class. Okay. One more name is there. I am forgetting.
Base class.
Base class. Good. Thank you. And this is called, these all three called child class. This is called subclass. This is called new class. This is also called derived class. Okay. So these are the name of child class. In a company, mostly they will use subclass and superclass. Parent class they will tell as a superclass. Child class they can tell this one. Subclass. So this subclass, the child class is having capability to access the properties and behavior of parent class. That is true. See, my son can access my properties and behavior, right? But I cannot access his properties and behavior. This line is correct or not? Right? Can child become a father? Same. The reverse process is, can he exhibit the behavior of father? Tell me. Child can exhibit the behavior of father or not?
Yes.
Yes, but father can exhibit the behavior of child.
No.
Right. So reverse process is not. So that's why this inheritance, it is a process of deriving new class by acquiring the properties, sorry, acquiring the commonly used behavior and properties from existing class. That is called inheritance. Okay. Now, types of inheritance. Why we do inheritance? For reusability.
Redundant code.
Sorry. Again here, reusability.
Yeah, yes, already code resume.
Right. Now, types of inheritance. Programmatically also we'll see this. What are the types of inheritance? Single inheritance.
Multiple inheritance.
Multi-level. Like spelling, I think LEVEL. Inheritance. Then hierarchical inheritance. Some people say hierarchical, some people say hierarchical, some people say hierarchical. Okay? Hierarchical inheritance. Then fourth one, multiple inheritance, very, very important, which is not, this interview question is there. Fifth one, hybrid inheritance. The most commonly question asked, I am writing here question. Interview question. Can we achieve multiple inheritance in Java? Next question. Can we achieve next question? Oh, this is very, very much important question. You should understand this. Okay. So we'll see how many questions we can understand now. Later, time will come, we can prove also. And next point, sorry. Inheritance is represented by the keyword extends. So whenever there is a process of inheritance, extends keyword will be used to represent the inheritance. Okay. And one more thing here. We will be creating. Okay, that points will come later. Fine. Let's see now types of inheritance first. So always diagrammatically you should use down arrow. So this is class A, this is class B. This is class A, this is class B. Okay. This is parent class, child class, or this is super class, and this is subclass. So this is single inheritance. What do you mean by single inheritance? There will be only one direct superclass and subclass. Direct. There will nothing in between. Like only one superclass, only one subclass. In between, any class is there? A and B? In between, see, B is a child of A. That's it. B is son of A. There is no in between. Nothing is there in between. So A is a direct superclass of B. B is a direct subclass of A. How can you read this? A is a direct superclass of B. And here B is a direct subclass of A. Reasons are there. That's why I'm telling this one. And how we can represent this? We can write class B extends A. That is the representation. Okay. So this is single inheritance. What is this? Single inheritance. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, clear.
Yes.
Okay. Now, let me put in this chat, this diagram at least. You can copy this, save this diagram. 5 diagrams I will send you. You can save it. From chat, you can save it. Okay. Just now I said. Now, see, so what do you mean by single inheritance? Okay, here only I will write. Single inheritance means there will be only one direct, super, and sub class. Clear? Now let's go for multi-level inheritance. Okay. New. Multi-level. Can you see this? A little bit diagram. I didn't make it perfectly. That's okay. You can start from here also. Like this. Like this. So here, let's say this is your super. This diagram, this you can ignore. This is A class. This is B class. This is C class. This is D class. You can have multiple classes like that. Can we remove this diagram? There is option to cut. Can we remove this? Is there option to cut?
Yes, sir. You can select everything and then you can delete.
We can select this.
Yeah, there will be a select rectangle.
At a,
If you go to
at a time, we
home,
can click on select in home.
Mm-hmm.
In home, the there is select.
Yeah.
Here under view, select is there.
Hmm.
No.
No, sir. Under home. Under
in
home,
select. This is there, no?
the selector.
Where is the
After
option?
paste, after paste, select is there.
No, sir. One sec. Select. We have
Where is
paste
the
that
option?
copy.
Is
Yeah,
this one?
there
This
you go.
one?
That
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
Click on that.
Select that option
Click
and
on that. Click on that.
This one?
Select.
yeah. And then
Select
select the
everything
area. Yeah, you would
and
like
cut.
to
Okay.
remove and cut.
Cut.
Delete.
Delete.
Good. Thank you. I am very weak in this all parts. Whenever the even people in company, manager will or lead will tell to show some representation through excellent PPT, that time I will keep on searching my juniors. 2-3 days I will giving them treats, pizza and all. Then they will do all this cosmetic representation. But it's very important. Good, yeah. You people know. Good. Yeah. So here you see A. So A is a superclass, correct? You only see A is a superclass of B or not. See, always extends means child. This down arrow extending means inheritance. Down arrow you should represent. So A is a superclass of B or not? Tell me.
Yes.
B is a superclass of C or not? Tell me.
Yes.
C is a superclass of D or not?
Yes.
I am telling direct superclass. A is a direct superclass of B. B is a direct superclass of C. C is a direct superclass of D. Now B is indirect superclass. Sorry, C is indirect superclass. Sorry. Let me write here. Let's say this is forefather. This is grandfather. First. This is father. And this is
Son.
son, child. Okay. Son. Fine. Now A is a forefather. So you see first see the relation. A is direct superclass of B or not? A is
Yes.
direct superclass of B. B is direct superclass of C or not? Tell me. B is direct superclass of C or not? In between
Yes.
any class is there. Direct means no one is in between. Directly he is the father of C. So B is direct superclass of C or not?
Yes.
Now C is direct superclass of D or not?
Yes.
Now D does not have any child. Now you see B is direct subclass of A or not? Tell me. B is direct subclass of A or not?
Yes.
Yeah. C is direct subclass of B or not?
Yes.
D is direct subclass of C or not?
Yes.
Now, A is indirect superclass of C or not? See, forefather is also a father only, right? Correct or not? So forefather, anyway, this father will be grandson of forefather, correct or not? So for him, for father, grandfather is the direct superclass. But forefather will be indirect superclass because all belongs to same family, correct? In family, at least in India, our ancestor is also a father, correct or not?
Yes.
We are coming from them only, genetic. Why you people are silent?
No, you're correct, sir.
See, anyway, see, for this son, all are father only. Either it's a direct father, it's a grandfather or forefather, but all are father only. From him, blood has come to him. Grandfather, from him, blood has come to father. From father, blood has come to son. Right? So anyway, let's say uh, let's say in engineering or let's say someone is studying in third year, someone is studying fourth year, someone is studying in first year. So for first year student, second and third year students are anyway, they are seniors or not, correct? Second year students are direct senior of first year. And third year students are indirect senior for first year classes, right? Same way here. A is a direct superclass of B, B is a direct superclass of C, C is a direct superclass of D. Now, A is indirect superclass of C and D. B is indirect superclass of C and, sorry, D. B is indirect superclass of D. So how can you write it here? A is indirect, all are in same family. So A is indirect superclass of C and D, correct or not? Are you agree on this point or not? Tell me. Did you understand indirect or direct? Indirect means between A and C, B is there. But anyhow, A is senior for B and C both. So A is direct senior of B, but indirect senior of C and D. That's it. It's very simple, yeah. What is the problem? Tell me.
No,
You
we got
people
the
are
point.
okay.
It's clear, sir.
At least then say na, yes, we got it. If you are not understanding, I will keep on teaching. I feel they are not understanding, I should not go ahead. And this is my problem actually. So B is indirect superclass of whom?
D.
D. Correct. D. So this is multi-level inheritance. There will be multiple super and subclasses. There will be a multiple direct super and subclasses. There will be multiple indirect super and subclasses. That is, but also, what is the note here? Note, in multiple, I will write, all belongs to same family. All belongs to same family. Okay, so this is multi-level inheritance. Right. So here, how can you represent? So see, D is the latest child. Newest you can say, child. So in inheritance, how to access? Now D can access the properties from C, B, and A. He is having capability. He can access the properties, behavior from, he can access the behavior from C class, B class, and A class because he is the child of C, B, and A all. So D can access, he can access the properties. He is having authority. Properties of C, B, and A. C can access the properties of B and A. B is having the capability to access the properties and behavior of A. Understood? C can access B and
And
A
A.
behavior and property, right? Because for C, who are the fathers? B and A. Anyway, B is a direct father, A is indirect father. And B can access the properties. B can access whom? Tell me.
Properties of A.
A. Okay. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This one. Now, how you will represent this? How can you write this? Very easy. You can write. You should see. You should take latest child. So class D. All are in same family. Extends C. Okay,
Extends
like
B.
this. So, and here you should write class C.
Extends B,
Extends B.
B and A.
Yes.
A.
B.
And A.
No. We can extend only one class at a time.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay,
these
sir.
points will write. Class B extends
A.
A. Okay. Class B extends A. See, class D extends C, class C extends B, class B extends A. This is how you can write. So at a time, only one class will be extended, and this lowest child, latest child, will have capability to access the properties of all the father, forefather, and superfather, all classes. Because he is from same blood. He is the latest one. That's it. Right? If you go to any showroom, Maruti Suzuki showroom, either you take 2-3 years back car, 4 years back car, or 1 year back car. The latest car, who is launched in 2025, is having the properties and behavior of all the old cars. Correct or not? So the latest car are able to access all the, see, like JDK versions only, Java versions only. We are using JDK 8 or JDK. So JDK 8 is having the capability to access the properties and behavior of all older Java versions, all older Java, because all are same. Java belongs to same family, same way here. So here in note, what we can write for multi-level inheritance, there will be multiple direct and indirect super and subclasses. Understood? Is it okay? So what is the notes? Another notes? Another point? At a time, only one class can extend another class. Okay? At a time, only one class can extend another class. Next point.
So it is not class B extends A and I mean class C extends A and C. It is not the case, right, sir?
No, no. See,
Okay.
child class, how he will extend himself? First of all, can I extend myself? No, this is wrong. First of all, that statement is wrong. Class
No,
C
no, sir. I said no. I said C class C extends B and A. I said
no, that is no, you cannot write.
okay. Okay.
That is syntactically wrong.
Okay.
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 So child class. So latest child can access all the properties and behavior from all superclasses. Understood? In multi-level inheritance. That also you should remember. Okay. Now, my question is, so how many objects can be created for these classes? There are 4 classes in our program: A class, B class, C class, D class. So how many objects we will create?
We can create a superclass object and then use it for the base classes.
Okay, good. Others? How many objects we can create?
I think 3.
3 objects.
Okay. Then what is the use of inheritance? Focus. Inheritance means good. At least you people told something, it's good. Inheritance means reusability. If I will create all the object of the class, we can create, that is, see, we can do anything. But what is the use of inheritance? Simply will create the object of only one class. That's why no, I have written it here. See, latest child can access all the properties and behavior from all superclasses in multi-level. So if you create an object of class D, you can access all the properties and behavior from CBA, na? So what is the use of creating this classes object? Then that is reusability, right? Understood my thing or not?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Using child, we will be creating the latest child object, and through that, as we can access the properties and behavior of CBA along with D. See, I can access my properties and behavior or not? Tell me. You can access your own behavior or not? You can show your what is your
Yes.
own behavior and some behavior you have taken from parents. Correct or not? Child will have his own behavior as well as parents' behavior. Correct or not?
Yes.
So D, it will create an object of D. Using D1 reference variable, you can access properties behavior of C, B, and A, all 3 classes. So you don't have to create object of each and every class. Understood? That is the concept of parent and child. Write it here. Don't forget this. Good boy. So here we will be creating object of latest child, and using this all the superclass properties and behavior can be accessed. Okay? In multi-level, not multi-level, in all the inheritance. You just take the object of child and you can access as well as child class. Means we can access the properties and behavior of all the superclass as well as our child class. Means for which you are creating the object. So you can access the properties and behavior of using D1. You can access this D1 can access the behavior and properties of D. He can access the behavior and properties of C. He can access the behavior and properties of B. He can access the properties and behavior of A. Understood? Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So take this diagram. Right now, download. Don't take diagram is very important here. Simply download. Save it. Whenever you will forget, just refer this. Everything before interview, you must refer this all. Otherwise, useless. Now, we'll see hierarchical. Guys, I am very big in English. You people can see the spelling here. Hierarchical, H-I-E-R-A-R. What is that? H-I-E-R-A-R-C-H-I-C-A-L. Inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance. You can check the spelling. This is hierarchical or hierarchical inheritance. Just understand the meaning of that. So here, very dangerous is multiple inheritance. Very, very dangerous. So here you see. And in inheritance, I will be taking some little bit rough example. Please don't take it personally. Intentionally, I do this for all the batches or to whom, how many students are there, so that you will never forget. Now you see. Sorry. So this is B class. This is C. Now, so this is your super class. And these both are subclass. 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 Okay. Now, B is a child of A. C is also a child of A. But B and C are not brothers or sisters. Are you getting? B is a child of A. C is also a child of father A. But B and C are not brother and sister. It means this guy has married two wives, right? So hierarchical inheritance is like that only. Like that only. Means there will be direct, separate, independent child classes. But there is no relationship between this B and C. No relationship. This B and C, no relationship. Both are child of A only, but there is no relationship between B and C. So here, how can you write? Class B extends, both are child only, B extends A.
A.
Class
and
C
you can
extends
write
A.
class C.
Extends A.
Extends
So,
A.
so here we can have direct subclasses, but independently. They are the independent child of A. They are not belonging to same family. Understood? A. And this is your class A. That's it. So class B extends A directly, class C extends A directly, but there is no relationship between B and C. So how many objects we need to create it here?
Two objects.
Two objects, one for B, so that B can access the properties and behavior of B class as well as A class. And one object, which one you have to create?
C.
C. So C1 equal to new C. So if you will create object of C, then C can access the properties and behavior of C, means his own class as well as the parent class. If you are creating the object of B, then he can access the properties of B as well as A, because A is a super and his own things, right? Is it clear to everyone or not clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So B
Yes.
can access A. Again, C directly he can access A. Understood? Guys, ask me if you have question.
No, sir, it's clear.
So multi-level means there will be direct superclass. There will be only one direct superclass, but multiple direct subclasses. Come here. Write it here. Hierarchical inheritance means there will be direct, only one direct super class, but multiple direct subclasses, and all are independent. Understood? Is this line clear? All are independent means individually they are extending, inheriting the properties from superclass directly. Okay? No relation between child class. Is it okay now?
But I didn't get this point, no relation between child classes. Because
Sorry?
so if we extend from A, I mean C extends from A and B extends from A. From extends point of view, both looks similar, right? It is extending from A. So so you said, okay, if they are from two different mothers, so there is nothing to differentiate like that, right? Here.
No, here differentiation is there. There is no relation between B and C.
From extends point of view, class B is extending from A, class C is extending from A.
Not from A. Class B extends superclass A, class C extends superclass A. Independently, there is no relationship between B and C. Even both are child of A, but both child are not interrelated. They don't belong to same family. This B child is from different family, C child is from different family.
So how that differentiation? So extends point of view, it is similar. So in
How it is similar?
So both are extending A, like extends A, B extends A, and C extends A.
B extends A, C extends. So both can inherit the behavior and properties from A, right? But B cannot access the properties and behavior from C. C cannot access the properties and behavior from B. The way we have done in the multi-level. See, there was one chain A, B, C, D. See here. Here.
Okay, yeah, I got the point. Yeah, so the classes which are in the same level, they cannot access each other's properties. Okay.
Right. See here, these all are in one chain. Means
Yeah.
all belongs to same family.
Okay.
Here, these childs are belonging to different family. So they are not having right to access the brother's properties, but they all are having access and rights to access the father's properties independently.
Okay.
Getting? So B can
Okay.
access the properties of his own class as well as A class. He is having right. C is also having right to access, because once land distribution will happen, A will give land to B also, C also. But there is no land distribution between B and C, in between B and C.
Okay. Yeah.
Here A, B, C, D is there. Here A, B, C, D is there. All can access. See, D can access the properties and behavior of C. C can access the properties and behavior of B. B can access the properties of behavior of A. Now, again, C can access the properties behavior of B and A both. B can access the properties and behavior. So all are interrelated here. All belongs to same family. But here, B cannot extend C. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Can we write B extends C? This is wrong. This is wrong. Understood? If
Yeah.
it is extending B and C, then it is not a hierarchical inheritance. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Ashish?
Yes, sir.
Who had asked this question? Ashish, right?
No, my
No,
name is
I didn't.
Faisal.
Oh, so did you understand, or you have still
Yeah.
some doubt?
Yeah, I got the point. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is wrong. Take this also. So tomorrow, I am not teaching multiple inheritance today because it's very important. Tomorrow, I have to prove. So this is hierarchical inheritance, where one father will have multiple childs. You can write like this also. One superclass, there will be only one direct superclass, but multiple means one father can have multiple childs, multiple childrens, but all will be inheriting the behavior independently. If you try to understand this definition, if you are not understanding, please let me know. See, this is all my definition. Is it okay? Here you can see now there will be only one direct superclass. See, A is a direct superclass of B, A is a direct superclass of C. Means one father having multiple children, but all children are not brothers and sisters. In banking exams, they will ask a question like this one. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So try this. This is how you can write it. So I will sharing these notes to you guys right now. You please copy these notes. Is very important for inheritance purpose. Check this. Copy right now. Did you copy it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. Mhm. Is it done, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So let's tomorrow I think we will have class. Another class I have. So Wednesday I used to take gap. So anyway, guys, Thursday and Friday we will be covering inheritance complete, and we'll see a lot of things. So many types of inheritance, constructor. You will see very new things, and we'll differentiate this and super keyword. And then we'll move to package. We will start installing Eclipse on Friday. Friday we'll install Eclipse, and there we will learn the properties and behavior of Eclipse. And from there, we will start writing a program inside the IT tool Eclipse. Okay. Whoever want IntelliJ, they can install IntelliJ. Both are doing same job. I feel more comfortable in Eclipse while teaching to others. That's okay. Okay.
Excuse me.
Yeah, tell me.
Whether tomorrow, Wednesday, there will be classes or no?
No, tomorrow, Wednesday, there will not be any class.
Okay.
Tomorrow, no
Okay.
class.
Okay. Just to confirm. Thank you.
Yeah. Thursday and Friday, we have a class.
Okay. Sure. Thank you.
Wednesday, I am occupied actually. Some.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
Yeah. Every Wednesday. Okay.
Thank
So,
you.
guys,
Thank you.
let's meet. Yes. Any question?
I said thank you.
Oh,
Yes, yes.
thank you.
Thank
Thank you. Yeah. Thanks, everyone. Bye. Let's meet on Thursday.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.